Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to paste without formatting on Google Docs. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my blank document. Now I want to copy some parts from this assignment 1 to my new document. To do that, first of all, I'll select some part of this assignment. For now, I'll select this marks, right click, and over here you can see copy. Click on this and go to place where you want to paste. Now again right click over here and you can see here is paste without formatting. Click on this and you can see this is the same file which is pasted without formatting. So in this way we can paste document without formatting on Google Docs. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.